Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the cleaning sprays to remove any mutations off of your plants in your garden. So to purchase this, you are going to go to the gear shop. Hopefully they have it in stock. But it looks like this. For instance, you want your flowers to stay like the original color, not like this. I think, is there like a sand mutation or it just looks like that? But the rest looks pretty like this. I just don't like the color. I'm just going to, is it still growing? I think it's still growing. Let's pick another plant. Okay, let's do this silver one. I'm just going to place it on the plant and you're just going to spray it. Okay, I think it's just that color anyways, but I think it removed the mutation. Okay, for instance, this one, it cleared off the like the frozen mutation, icy mutation. But that is how you can use the cleaning spray on your plants. I don't really use them. You can use it for like display purposes, but I usually keep my plants with all the mutations, usually to up their prices. Well, except for the smaller plants I don't really care about. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.